Congratulations, you made it to Friday. So, Friday is a day where we review information. We get to read our story one last time for the week. And we get to celebrate making it through another week of school. So, how we begin this lesson is with our story and with our review questions. You either have a page that has 5 review questions or 3 review questions on it. Now, your student's going to read you the story, or you're going to read your student the story, and you're going to interact with the communication board the same way you've been doing it all week. Really going back to it and concentrating on words you know they're missing. And then the way I really like to go through the review quiz is page by page. So when I start this story, I might have them go through and we'll just read question number 1. And I'll say, what is the paper about? And they're going to find that answer right away. And we're going to really direct them to, what is the story about? I wonder. I really want you to think about it. And give them the opportunity to answer the question. Now, your student might circle the question or point to the question, whatever is the best way for them to access it. And the biggest thing is that if they get it right, woo! We praise them. We tell them, great job. We point to where they found it in the text and really reinforce that. If they get it wrong, that's okay too. But what we're going to do is we're going to cross out the answer and we're going to let them pick again. And we're going to do this until they get to the right answer. And luckily there's only 3 answers, so they might answer the question 3 times, but it's always going back into the text and finding the answer. Process for all of our questions and answers. And at the end of the task, really get to celebrate the fact that you made it through another week successfully. I usually use this as a data tracking sheet to see how much information they retained. It directly correlates with IEP goals and is a great way for you to really see what your student got out of the week. I encourage you just to remember to celebrate, be patient with yourself and be patient with your student. This is a massive change for all of us, and I miss you guys, and I